guys, it's April. I was originally going to do this file for Friday, but I decided to do this for an annual supporters card and release it today, Tuesday. And then tomorrow there is a graduation card coming for monthly supporters. So that will be coming out tomorrow. This one is today, and I am going to replace Friday's tutorial with something else. So let's go ahead and get started. You've got your card base, and you're just going to fold that in half, and you have all of your decorative pieces here. And then you have your pop-out mechanism right here. And you're going to fold this on all of its score lines. There are two little tabs there. And then there's one down the center. And you want to fold that as well. And I'm going to fold it both ways just so I can get some play going in mine. There we go. Just like that. It should look just like that. Okay? Nothing difficult. And then you've got 4 score lines on this little, I call it the bat piece. Kind of resembles a bat. You're going to fold on all 4 of those lines. Just like so. Then this last tab right here, this is where we're going to glue. And you're going to bring that in and just glue that down. It's going to create that funky little shape there, okay? Just like that. Then we're going to take our base, and you can use a pencil if you want, anything that you want, but you're just going to fold it in half with your tabs out, okay? Just like this. Put your point to the top, and you want to make sure that you don't let this go any higher up than the edge of the card, okay? So with it based just like this, you can just take your pencil. I lost my pencil. And just make a mark. Because if you want to put it lower, you can put it lower. You can erase your pencil afterwards. Now, with it open, you're just on this one tab going to glue. Okay. And you're going to fold that back, and you're going to place it right down there where your pencil marks are. Just go straight across. And then you can just give it a little rub. You can lay it down this way too, but you just want to make sure. And then I'm just going to erase my pencil. All right, super easy, super simple. Now you want to take this piece, and with your curves in the front, okay, you can see that that's curved. You want that little point there in the front, and you're going to fold it flat, okay? Just fold it flat. And if you need to take your bone folder and go over it, you can do that. But we're going to place glue with your point in your left hand. Place glue on the right panel. Okay. And now you're going to bring this up and place it like right here at this point. Okay. And it's okay if it comes over the front of that just a little bit. Won't hurt a thing. And we're just going to glue that down. Okay, so it should look just like that. You can see where my fold is here. I just brought that fold right down with that. Okay. And now you're going to take, and just on this left panel, don't get it on your curved piece. You're going to put glue on that. And then you're going to fold this over. And then you're going to place glue down this tab, just like so, and you're going to close it. And we want to let that fully dry before you open it. Don't get so much glue that it squishes out and glues your card shut, but you're just going to glue it to the left side of the panel, okay? And then when you open it up, we're going to give that a second to dry, and then I'll show you. We're going to assemble this part here first. I'm going to set this piece to the side. That's your tassel. And I did print and cut on this gold Michaels foil paper. It's white. It's set as a print and cut in the file. I will change it to the same gold that I made these pieces, and you can change it up. But if you're going to print and cut on the gold, make sure that you change that to white so that you know you cut it out of this paper. Now, I'm going to say it will try to bleed a little bit. I printed it, and I immediately took my embossing heat gun and dried it. And then I cut it because being foil, the ink doesn't want to dry on it really fast. But if you're not using the gold foils, you can just print and cut on white or whatever color that you're doing, because it does have a white border that it's going on. And that's just so it shows up on this blue. So we're going to put our blue panel on top of the gold panel. And this is the gold craft paper from Michaels. I'm just going to place that on. And we're going to set that aside. And we're going to bring in this piece. And the white is on the bottom, then the blue. And you can replace any of these pieces with whatever you want to put on the front of your card. All of the mechanism pieces and the card base and panels are made from Cricut basic shapes. They're free. This is the offset for this and the offset for this, and this piece are all from Cricut Access Images. And the tassel is a access image. So you can replace those with whatever you want if you want to try something different. Next, you're going to put your silver pieces on. And I'm going to pick this up so I can make sure I get this center. I'm using art glitter glue, so it's going to dry matte and clear. And you want to just line that up right there at the bottom. And you could pop dot some of this up if you want. I think I'm just going to pop dot this piece up on the card itself. And now we're going to take this one, do the same. And I've got a little bit of glue on there. I'm going to take my adhesive eraser and just get that off there. Might need to let it dry and then do it since it's on this foil. There we go. And now we're going to take these gold pieces and place them down the center of that piece. And try to do this without getting glue all over my silver. Got a little bit on there. A little too much glue. And again, I'm just going to take my glue eraser and adhesive eraser and get some of that off. Don't want to mess up my shine. Okay. Tape runner might be better here since this is the top piece. And I'm just going to go a little lighter with my glue on this one. Just going to line those up. Okay, I'll clean that up later. I'm not going to make you guys sit here and watch me clean that off. It will come off. You just have to work with it. Okay, so then we're going to glue this piece to its offset. And being foil, sometimes the tape runner is better so that if it tries to bubble, you know, some foils do that. My print and cut was off just slightly, but I'm going to go with it. It's still pretty. And now this should be dry enough. When you open that up, you've got your pop-out graduation cap. How cute is that? We're going to take this piece and we're going to place some glue just down, just very lightly on the back of it. And it lays completely down in there when it's open. Make sure you don't get glue up there. I'm just going to flatten it down to help it stick. But it just goes right into the card. Just like that. Okay? How stinking cute is this card? Love, love, love. Super easy, super simple. Now we're going to put our panel on the front. Place that down. And then I think I am going to do some pop dots here. And I think I'm going to use my dark dimensional since that is a dark card. I'm just going to place a few on here. And you'll want to make sure that you don't have any sagging, so you want to place some in the middle. If you're just gluing it flat, no need to worry about it. And we're going to peel this off. And then we're going to place that right on the center, best as you can. Give it a little dimension. And now I'm going to place this right on graduation and celebration. I think I want it to pop down just a little bit. So I'm going to double up down the middle here. My dots. Just to combat the depth that we have on the other one. Hopefully I'm in camera here. And I'm just going to pop that right on. Super fun, super simple, and easy. And pretty. Love, love, love. Hope that you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you have any questions, need any help, please don't hesitate to message me. I appreciate you being an annual supporter, and I couldn't do any of this without you guys. So thank you very much. Catch you on the next video.